Hi, this is the OPPO A2x and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Also we got one more way how we could do that. Just first hold for a while home screen with a finger and select a couple of applications, then just tap create a folder and that's it. To add just more applications here to the folder, you should just hold them and drag them by this way. If you want to rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. To move folders here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. Also you could change the size of the folder. Just hold it for a while and tap to enlarge to make it bigger and tap to shrink to make it smaller. By this way, to remove the applications from here, hold it and drag it to the home screen, or also you could hold for a while the home screen with a finger, select a couple of applications, and just hold them and just drag them, for example, to your home screen and to create the new folder. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.